Learn English with Pariniti Chopra.
Because I think I should have stuck to my own gut.
Stuck to my own gut means trusting and following your own instincts or intuition. Example, despite everyone's advice, I stuck to my own gut and made the right decision.
Or whatever. On the train,
Along the chain means at different stages or points in a process or sequence. Example, the mistake was made somewhere along the chain of command in the project.
I don't even remember. There are blank spots because
Blank spots refer to gaps in knowledge, understanding, or memory. Example, he couldn't remember the details of the meeting, leaving several blank spots in his report.
so it's not as black and white as that. So
Black and white means something is clear-cut, with no room for confusion or interpretation. Example, the rules were black and white, no phones allowed during the test.
I never argued that because I'm a very objective person. I'm also
An objective person is someone who makes decisions based on facts, not personal feelings. Example, as an objective person, she evaluated the situation without letting her emotions influence her judgment.
even in the films when people are like, why is she doing such crappy films? I was like,
Crappy means something of poor quality, unpleasant, or unsatisfactory. Example, the movie was so crappy that we left the theater early.
I swear there is half of me that wants this film to release right.
Half of me expresses feeling divided or uncertain about something, with mixed emotions or thoughts. Example, half of me wants to stay, but the other half knows I should leave.
Sometimes tears dry up, yeah?
Tears dry up means someone stops crying, often after an emotional moment or sadness fades. Example, after hours of crying, her tears finally dried up and she felt calmer.
They still give me that little bit of a palpitation. They still
Palpitation refers to a noticeable, often rapid or irregular heartbeat that can feel unsettling. Example, he felt a palpitation in his chest after running up the stairs quickly.
give me that muscle memory and
Muscle memory is the ability to perform a task automatically through repeated practice. Example, after years of playing piano, her fingers moved with muscle memory, hitting every note perfectly.
this was another eureka that happened in my life. Like,
Eureka is an exclamation used when someone suddenly discovers or realizes something important. Example, after hours of solving the puzzle, he shouted Eureka when he finally found the solution.
it's doable. It's doable. You don't.
Doable means something is possible to accomplish or achievable. Example, the project seemed challenging, but with a good plan, it's definitely doable.
And I've just maybe manifested it or whatever, but
Manifested means something that became visible, apparent, or was brought into reality. Example, her hard work manifested in a successful career and numerous awards.
and they are humongous, okay? Like that one.
Humongous means extremely large or enormous. Example, they served a humongous pizza that barely fit on the table.
I mean, the power in her arm when she smashes the
Smashes means to hit something with great force, often breaking it, or to succeed impressively. Example, he smashes the glass with a hammer, shattering it instantly.
the split of her legs when she lunges is crazy.
Lunges means making a sudden forward movement, often to attack or grab something. Example, the cat lunges at the toy, catching it in midair.
So it took me 6 months to really get the game, and
Get the game means to understand or grasp how a particular activity or process works. Example, after several practice sessions, she finally gets the game and starts playing confidently. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.